For the rasgueo, we're going to work on the Fandangos pattern, but by using a Moraito rasgueo. Moraito was a really famous guitarist, one of my favorite ones. And he used to practice a rasgueo in which we do index going down, index going up, ring down, index down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So on the Fandangos pattern, it's 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, and 3 beats. Okay, 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, taka, 2, taka, 3, and 1. How it is? Index going down, 1 golpe, 1, another rasgueo going up with the index, taka, tan, taka, tan, and if you see it's 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, and one more time, index down, now index up, ring, index down, index up again, down and down, and index up. 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, and 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 okay. And now with the chords, we're going to be using E7, A minor, F, open F with no capo, and the Fandangos close, which is hello. I'm going to play one time, a few times. 1 and golpe, golpe and close. So the Fandangos close at the end is open 6, open in the first, golpe, 1, 2, 3, 4, and silence, okay? 3, and 1, taka, ta, 2, and 3. 1, taka, ta, taka, 3, and 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, taka, 2, taka, 3, and 1. Be careful because we change it from E7 to A on the middle measure, on the middle bar. 1, taka, 2, taka, 3. 1, taka, 2, taka, 3. And 1, taka, 2, taka, 3. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you need extra help, guys, okay?